What's up guys, we're going to do a nice classic mac and cheese, so let's get straight into what's needed. So we've got the pasta boiling in the background in some salted water, so we're just going to get on to making the roux. So I've got it on a medium to high heat. I'm just going to add in the butter and allow that to melt. Now that's melted, I'm just going to add in the paprika and the garlic granules, and then just add in the flour. So this should turn into a bit of a paste. So just want to cook out the flour for a little bit, and then we slowly start adding in the milk. Keep stirring it, you just want to try and make sure that you've got no lumps in it, so just keep mixing it around. Just going to start moving it around with the whisk. So I'm going to go in with half of the mature cheese and half of the Red Leicester. And we'll keep half of it back for later on. And then we'll also add in the soft cheese. Now that the pasta's cooked and the bechamel's done, and we're just going to fold it through. It's like liquid gold. And then just give this a good mix. Right, so let's get into layering this up. So what I do is, you want to make this go all across the bottom of the pan, just like that. And then what we do, this has also got the mozzarella in, so this has got the cheddar, the mozzarella and the Red Leicester in. And then we'll add some more of the mac and cheese on top. Do the same. And then we just finish with all this cheese. So now that's done, we're going to get it in the oven, 180 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to get it under the grill and make sure that it's nice and golden on top. So I'm just going to finish off by chopping this parsley, just for the garnish. So there we have it, a nice simple mac and cheese.